Candace Carter, thoughts to go back in Tudilo's studio. We're taking it down some more. This is a Corona take for history with Philip and Robert, and they are working now, and we'll see what they can take out from this corner. I can show you that this corner is empty now too. So we have been changing things. Wir sind im Tudilo Studio. Noch einmal, wir bauen jetzt einiges noch ab.
Ja.
Hoffentlich passiert nichts Schlimmes.
Nee, alles okay.
Oh, es ist schwer. Das ist nicht schlimm.
Hast du's? Nice.
Ich brauche dafür starke Männer, die habe ich jetzt. Starker Schwiegersohn, starker Sohn. Wow. Es soll so werden, dass die große Kreuzigung erstmal bleibt. Und es wird rausgetragen und öffnet jetzt schon wieder neue Räume von diesem geheimnisvollen Ort. It's opening to new places here again. New places behind that have been hidden in his studio. We're going to leave the big picture at first. See about that later. And okay, what else is in the back that could be taken off? Anything?
This.
You can move those, well, yeah. Very good. That's hard to move, Robert. Oh.
You don't want to move this?
No, I don't think so.
No.
It's okay. Put it over there on the side. That's okay for now. I knew that. See, it falls apart.
Yes.
All right. Is the picture stable? Is this Bild stabil?
Yes, but it has to stay this way.
Was? You have to leave the easel?
No, it has to stay this way.
Ja, aber die Staffelei kann weg, oder?
Die kann weg, ja. Aber
Ja, dann schieb.
Das stehen halt hier noch Sachen.
Schieb sie erstmal weg, dann kann ich nachher überlegen, wo ich die Staffeleien hin will. Jetzt geht ihr mal rechts vom Bild. Aha, und sagt thank you very much, sirs, and I'm going to take a close-up of the corner now. You guys can move over. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Let me see. See, this is open now. We're going to see what's behind here, which to some extent will stay. Okay. Das war die nächste Aktion. That's the next thing we've done. It's still changing. The room is still changing. So, that's it for today, folks. Bye-bye. Till next time.